Hello guys, and welcome to my YouTube channel Sebas Tutorials 2021, where I give free online tutorials. Before I move on, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel so that whenever I post any video you will be alerted. Okay, today I'll be taking you guys through how to perform tax on the Starlight app. In my previous video, I took you through how to register Starlight and then how to maneuver your way around the Starlight app. So today I want to actually take you through how to perform tax. So first of all, you have to have an account with Starlight, and by doing that you have to go to my previous video to check out how to create an account or how to register with Starlight. I have the link in my video there, but I'll be posting the link in this video as well. Starlight came into Ghana 22nd February 2022, and they are still in the system and still paying, so you can as well go and then register an account with them and perform some tax to earn some money. Please take note that Starlight is not an investment. It's not an investment company. Actually, it's a company that you get recruited and your services are needed. You perform tax free to earn money. And if you want to earn more, you'd have to buy their VIP packages to get more tax to earn more. So we have VIP 1 to VIP 5 packages, and each of them have their prices. So in my previous video, full details of the VIP packages are all there. So let's quickly move on to our topic for today. So let's go on to the Starlight app. Okay, so this is the app here. I've logged into mine, and as you can see, this is a VIP 4 account. You can see it written up there, say VIP 4 account now. And how do you know if your tasks are available for you to complete or perform? Now, every day at exactly 12 a.m., Starlight drops the tasks for you to perform, and you can easily locate it here. So since I'm in VIP 4, I'm given 20 tasks to perform every day, and you can see it's written there boldly, remaining tasks for the day 20, because I haven't performed my tasks yet. So I have 20 tasks to perform today. And then when you look at this place too, tasks completed today 0, because I haven't completed any tasks. It's telling me that it's 0. Good. So this is where you locate or you see the number of tasks you have to perform daily. So let's quickly move on to performing our tasks. So what we do is that when you log into the Starlight account, you quickly click on tax hall, and we can locate tax hall here. This is tax hall here. So we simply click on tax hall, and then we are brought to this page. So you see your VIP package. So if you are VIP 1, you see it here. VIP 2, it shows here, that's current status. And then I'm on the VIP 4 package, and you can see what is written here: do tax. Now Starlight gives us various tax on the various social media apps. So when you look here, you can see that it's currently on Facebook. They have YouTube as well, TikTok, and then Instagram. So you'd be the one to select any of the social media handles you'd want to use to perform your tax. But I prefer Facebook, so it's currently on Facebook, so I'll use that. So I just click on do tax, and then I've gotten the various tax on Facebook here. So you can see them. When you scroll, you'd see them there. So what do we have to do here? It's just easy. You just have to click on receive, receive. And when you click on receive, it tells you success. So you keep on receiving until you've gotten the number of tasks you are to perform. So you have to receive first before you start performing your tasks. So I'll click on receive, and you can see that it's telling me that it's been successful. I click on receive again. I click on receive. So I keep on clicking until I get to or get the number of clicks I'm supposed to get. Good. So now the list is empty here. Now you should note that for every task list, the maximum is 10, but I'm supposed to perform 20. So I've received 10. So I have to complete this 10 first, then come back again to receive 10 more and complete. So now when we are done receiving your tasks, the next thing you have to do is to go here, click on records, click on records. Good. So I've clicked on records now, and it has brought me to this page. And then this page, I've seen all the 10 tasks I've received. So I start performing my tasks now. So this is where the work is done. So as you can see here, you are being told what you should do here. Starlight is telling you your request here. So you are told to like and follow. Like and follow. That is your task you have to perform. So you click on this open link. So our task here is on Facebook app. So you should make sure that you have Facebook app installed on your phone. Then you click on open link. So I'm clicking on open link now. So it's taking me directly to my Facebook account. And remember that the request there is to like and follow. So we have a video here now. So you just like it, and then you follow. Then you take a screenshot of it. You don't need to watch this video long. You just take a screenshot of it. Now when you are done, you go back, you minimize this, and then go back to your Starlight account. And then we try to upload. So we click on this. We click on this camera icon here to upload our screenshot. So I click on this, and it takes me to my phone gallery to upload the screenshot that I made. And then I quickly select it, and you can see that it's telling me uploaded successfully. Then you click on submit. Submit. Now you can see that it was successful. So you carry out the same procedures for all these tasks here. So you just open the link, like and follow, take a screenshot, minimize, come back to your Starlight app, upload your screenshot and submit. So when you are done with all that, you click on me. You click on me here. This is me. You click on me, and it takes you to your dashboard, and you can see what Starlight is telling me now. It's telling me that firstly, remaining tasks for today was 20, but now it's 10 because we've completed 10 tasks already. You can see that here now. Tasks completed today is 10. So when we are done with the first 10 tasks, and then we go back to receive 10 more tasks, you'd see that the remaining task for the day is going to become 0. So let's quickly go back again to records, to tax hall, do tax, and receive 10 more. So we just receive them. We keep receiving all the tax. Good. So we are done now. When we go to records, we'll see all tax there, and then we complete them. So that is how Well, that is what Starlight is all about. When you go back to me, you will realize that the tax for the day is now remaining tax for today is now zero, and then tax completed for today is 20. So these are just the steps on how to complete your tax on Starlight. And you realize that when you complete your tax, it goes to audit first. When you go to audit, you see there, so Starlight has to audit your tax to see if truly you've completed your tax or not. And then when it's completed, you come to completed, you see that your tax is going to show that is completed. And when you click on me, you will be credited with your money. As simple as ABC. Thank you very much for watching this video. Kindly like, comment, and to my YouTube channel to get more tips. See you in my next video. Bye bye.